Hello everyone, in this video how to change the color of an object in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open image in Photoshop, double click to open, then select object, select only object without lip. Okay, then for the best way, click to this icon, go saturation, lock, see this multiple color, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See this result again.